Hello everyone and welcome to this new exciting course from the Microsoft Cybersecurity Professional track called Windows Server 2016 Security Features. This is the 7th course from the Microsoft Cybersecurity Professional track, and I am Chris. I am going to be your instructor for this course as well, but let me properly introduce myself. My name is Christian Kalinescu, and I've been working for more than 10 years in IT and mainly as a senior infrastructure engineer. And now I currently run a cybersecurity operations center for a big company in the UK. I've helped many customers throughout my career to implement new technologies, to migrate from old technologies to new technologies, and I've consulted several customers as well on implementing security frameworks, security tools, and security services, being that they were on premises or in the cloud. I am certified by Microsoft on several desktop and server technologies, like Microsoft Certified Expert on Cloud Platform and Infrastructure, or Certified Azure Solutions Architect for the cloud technologies. In the field of cybersecurity, I am certified as a Microsoft Certified Cybersecurity Professional, CompTIA Security Plus Certified, and a Certified Ethical Hacker. So please join me in the second lesson of this introductory section, in which we are going to discuss about the course, about how it's structured, and several other interesting aspects. I'll see you in the next lesson. Hello everyone and welcome back to this course from the Microsoft Cybersecurity Professional track called Windows Server 2016 Security Features. We are in the second lesson of the introductory section, in which we are basically going to discuss about the course, about how it's structured, prerequisites, expected learning, and much more. Now, first of all, I want to let you know, for those of you who are attending this course from the cybersecurity professional track for the first time, that this is the 7th course from a series of courses called Microsoft Cybersecurity Professional track, which are meant to prepare you become a Microsoft cybersecurity professional. Basically, you will, after completing all the courses, you will be comfortable in implementing, configuring, and supporting the Microsoft security services. So please take a moment and take a look at this slide, which basically shows all the courses from the track and a few words about each course. So that being said, let's first of all establish who should be the audience for this course. Well, the audience for this course should be any cybersecurity enthusiast who wants to learn all about Microsoft security services. And of course, you don't need to go through the entire track. Maybe you are just interested in PowerShell security, for example, or maybe you're just interested in the security services offered by Microsoft Azure, or maybe you're just interested in the security features and services offered by the Windows 10 or Windows Server operating system. So you can take any of the courses, or you can take all the courses and complete the Microsoft Cybersecurity Professional track. Now, let's talk about the prerequisites that are necessary for those of you who are taking this course. So first of all, you need to have this three, let's say, prerequisites. The first one would be basic understanding of the Windows Server operating system. And for all of these, when I say basic, I literally mean just basic. Then basic understanding of computer networks and basic knowledge of accessing and using, of course, simple Windows PowerShell commands. So these would be the prerequisites for the course. Now let's take a look at the course, how it is structured, what will go through the course, and we'll see the sections of the course in a nutshell. So first of all, in section number 1, this is the introduction section. The previous lesson was the instructor introduction, in which I've introduced myself. This is the second lesson, in which, of course, we are talking about the course. Then we'll actually get into the course itself. with the second section being called Reduce the Attack Surface. Here we are going to discuss about server hardening, the server hardening process, service configuration and account configuration, remote administrative access, application restriction and firewall configuration, software updates, and configuration baselines. Then we are going to go into the third section of the course, in which we are going to cover secure administration. Here we'll cover topics like local administrator password solution, credential guard, anti-LM blocking, protected users and authentication policy silos. We'll talk about just enough administration and ESAE forests, and of course just-in-time administration. Then we're moving on to the fourth section of the course, and here we're talking about isolating workloads with containers. We're going to have an overview and an introduction to containers. We're going to talk about managing container images, and then about Docker. And then in the last section of the course, we are going to cover topics in regards to securing the virtualization workloads. So this is how the course is structured. Let's see what would be the expected learning. What will you walk out with after taking the course? First of all, I want to let you know that the course content includes a mix of, as it says here in the slides, of videos, demonstration, and final exam review questions. The final exam is meant to test your knowledge on the topics learned throughout the course, but I'll talk about that in a few moments. This course does not have a lab associated with it, because most of the topics covered in this course, you will find hands-on labs for them in the other courses from the series, from the track, from the Microsoft Cybersecurity Professional track. So after you've completed this course, you should be able to describe Windows Server 2016 security technologies. You should be able to reduce the Windows Server 2016 attack surface through security baseline, device guard policies, or server core first deployments. You also should be able to implement security administrative techniques using credential guard, just enough administration, or just-in-time administration. You'll be comfortable with workload isolation with working with containers, of course, and you'll also be comfortable with securing VM configuration, deployment, and of course hosting with guarded fabrics. So this is the expected learning. Now, I just want to say a few words about the final exam review questions. These are basically 25 review questions which are meant to test your knowledge on the topics that you've learned throughout the course. And of course, I strongly encourage you to go check out the other courses as well, because as I've mentioned, on most of the topics that we'll discuss in this one, you will find hands-on labs with those topics, installing, configuring, and managing those technologies in the other courses from this Microsoft Cybersecurity Professional track. And when the time comes throughout the course, I will mention which course is for which topic and where you will find hands-on labs. That being said, guys, this concludes our discussion, our overview about the course. I'm anxious to see you in the next lesson, and we'll get started with the course. So I'll see you in the next lesson.